I'm gonna read you a verse, and when I read it, you might not understand it, so let me read it and then let me explain it. This is in the book of Romans that Paul wrote to the church in Rome before he got there, okay? And this is what he says in Romans 5. He says, therefore, just as sin entered the world through one guy, through one man, he's talking about Adam. Now, here's just track with me, be a theology nerd with me here for a second, okay? What the Bible teaches is that Adam was what theologians call the federal head of mankind. We actually have this concept like all over the place. So for instance, the president of the United States, no matter who that is, acts as the federal head of the nation in that when he makes a decision, that decision is, watch this, it's imputed to everybody that's under his leadership, and his decisions have ramifications for people who are under his leadership. The Bible says that God created Adam and Eve as, quote, this is a theological term, the vice regents of all creation, the federal head of all mankind, in such a way, that's what this verse means, in such a way that when Adam sinned, his decision to rebel against God had ramifications that were imputed to everything that was under his leadership, all of his progeny, all of his lineage, that's you and me, and all of creation that he was put on earth to steward and lead. So when the Bible says sin entered the world through one man, it's going, hey, the federal head sinned, and that had ramifications for everything after it.